Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Snapchat and going directly to Chats. Tap the conversation that contains the saved message. Once there, review which messages are marked as saved in chat. You can unsave items you saved, but you cannot remotely delete something the other person saved. Make sure to note timestamps and context so you can explain clearly if you need to ask the other person to remove it. This step sets up the honest, direct approach you'll need next. Now perform the practical actions under your control. If you saved any messages, long press each and choose Unsave in Chat so they no longer appear highlighted for you. This does not affect their copy. Next, use the menu Profile Settings Clear Conversation to remove the thread from your device, which clears local history but not the other person's saves. Then, communicate. Politely request the other person to unsave or delete the specific messages, explaining why it matters. To finish, confirm the other person either unsaved the message or agreed to delete it. If they refuse and the content violates rules, report the message to Snapchat support with a clear explanation and timestamps. Make sure your app is up to date and recheck the chat after they say they removed it. Sometimes status refreshes after an update. Troubleshooting tip: if the saved badge still appears, force close the app and reopen, then verify again before escalating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.